MxD is the nation's digital manufacturing institute. In the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic, helping U.S. manufacturers digitize their operations, become more cybersecure, and train the next generation workforce is more important than ever. You can find an array of resources at our website, mxdusa.org. We are also prepared to have safe meetings and events at our Innovation Center in Chicago. Here are some of the new measures you'll see next time you visit our building. Before entering, pre-register and answer questions about your physical state and possible exposure to COVID-19. Automatic doors are activated by waving a hand over the sensor. When inside, a touchless thermometer kiosk will scan your temperature and whether you are wearing a mask. Security will confirm your pre-registration and provide a badge. If any queues form, decals on the atrium floor indicate where to stand to ensure there is enough space between visitors. Entry is limited to one set of turnstiles with exit at the opposite end, so traffic is one way in either direction. Signage provides reminders to wear a mask when in any shared spaces, stay 6 feet apart, cover coughs, wash hands, avoid hugs and handshakes, and wipe down surfaces regularly. Sneeze guards are installed at the security desk, office workspaces, and other shared areas. In the current phase of Illinois reopening, gatherings of up to 50 people are allowed. However, room capacities have been modified to the maximum that can be accommodated while maintaining distance. Whiteboard markers, pens, and other communal items have been removed from conference rooms, and disinfecting wipes and sanitizer have been added. Tours have been redesigned to allow for distance between attendees, with safety glasses sanitized in a UV cabinet between wears. This is not an exhaustive list of the updates in our office practices, but covers the main ones we are making as more work shifts from virtual to hybrid to safely in person. As circumstances change, MxD's office return plan may be updated. All measures are consistent with the CDC and Illinois Department of Public Health guidance. We look forward to welcoming you back.